square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 5 equal to 0. H dash equals to x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 1 equals to 0. And H double dash is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y equal to 0. What is radical center? Suppose these are the three circles which are intersecting each other. S, S dash, S double dash. We need radical center. So first radical axis of S and S dash, this line. Radical axis of S and S double dash, this one. And radical axis of S dash and S double dash, this line. All three lines or any two lines, wherever they are meeting, that is radical center. Intersection of radical axis is radical center. So what we have to find from this one? Let S minus H dash equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 5 minus S dash minus x square minus y square plus 2x plus 4y plus 1 is equals to 0. So this is minus 4x plus 2x minus 2x minus 6y plus 4y minus 2y plus 5 plus 1 plus 6 equals to 0. Multiply with minus sign or you can leave it up to the mark. Divide by 2 also you can do. This is equation 1. This is S minus H dash, this radical axis we got. Now for this line we need to subtract S minus H double dash. For same thing we have to write S value minus 4x minus 6y plus 5 minus H double dash. X square and y square cancelled, minus 4x plus 6x plus 2x minus 6y plus 2y minus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. Equation 2. First to find radical axis of two circles, then radical axis of another two circles, then two equations we got, equation 1 and equation 2. To get the point we need to solve 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2 for radical center. Second, third, first, second. 1 minus 3, 1, 1. Then we have minus 4, 5, 2 minus 4. X, Y, 1. X divided by AD minus BC. Y divided by AD minus BC and 1 divided by AD minus BC. So X by minus 7, Y by minus 11 and 1 by minus 6. So x is equals to 7 by 6, y is equals to 11 by 6. Therefore, radical center is equals to 7 by 6, 11 by 6. Find radical center, two radical axes, then solve 1 and 2 in order to get Most important one. Find the equation of circle which is orthogonal to each of the following circles. We need to find equation of this circle which is orthogonal to one circle, second circle and third circle. Means it makes 90 degrees with this circle, 90 degrees with this circle, here also 90 degrees. So what we have? Angle made by three of the circles with the given circle is 90. Find the equation of circle which is orthogonal to all the three. This circle we need to find B1 which is orthogonal to first one, orthogonal to second one, orthogonal to third one. This is the case given to us. What we have to do first, we have to write whatever equation we have to find, that let it be S, or just take x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0 is our required question. Then given circles x square plus y square plus 2x plus 17y plus 4 is equals to 0. Then x square plus y square plus 7x plus 6y plus 11 is equals to 0. Then we have x square plus y square minus 1x plus 22y plus 3 is equals to 0. In question 3 circles are given. From where we have considered this one? Let equation of circle be this one, first one. What we need to find, that is first equation. Second, third, fourth. This one is second one, third one and fourth one. This is our first equation. 1 and 2 are orthogonal. 1 and 2 are orthogonal. Then what we have? 1 and 3 are orthogonal. Then what we have? 1 and 4 are orthogonal. First and second are orthogonal because this circle cuts second, third, fourth orthogonally. So 1 and 2 are orthogonal, 1 and 3 are orthogonal. So condition for orthogonality we have to write 2g dash plus 2f dash is equals to c plus c dash. First one, g is equals to g, f is equals to f, c is equals to c. From second one, g dash is 1, f dash is half of coefficient of y 17 by 2, c dash is 4. So the condition is 2 into g dash plus 2 into f dash is equals to c plus c dash. Now 2 to cancel. 2g plus 17f minus c is equals to 4. This is equation number 5. Next what we have, 1 and 3 are orthogonal. This implies 2g dash plus 2f dash is equals to c plus c dash. Whereas g is equals to g, f is equals to f, c is equals to c. Then what we have? G dash. G dash means from first we have g, f, c values. From third equation, g is 7 by 2, g dash is 7 by 2, f dash is 6 by 2 is 3 and c dash is 11. So the condition is 2g into 7 by 2 plus 2f into 3 equals to c plus 11. 7g plus 6f minus c is equals to 11, equation number 6. Then same thing, condition for orthogonality 2g dash plus 2f dash is equals to c plus c dash. Whereas from first one, g is g only, f is f, c is c itself. Then from fourth, what is g dash? Minus 1 by 2. F dash is 22 by 2, 11. C dash is 3. This implies 2g into minus 1 by 2 plus 2f into 11 equals to c plus 3. 2 to cancel. Minus 1g plus 22f minus c is equals to 3. Let the constant be on right side. So we got 3 equations. Once we have 3 equations, we have to solve the 3 equation in order to get the values of g, f and c. So subtraction we have to do. I'll have this one. Now once we got 3 equations, subtracting 5 and 6, subtracting 5 and 7, or 6 and 7, your wish. 5 and 6, so 2g plus 17f minus c is 4, 7g plus 6f minus c is equals to 11. Why we are subtracting? To cancel this c value we have to subtract. 2 minus 7 is minus 5. 17 minus 6 is 11. 4 minus 11 is minus 7. Take that 7 to left side. My 5g plus 11f plus 7 equals to 0. Equation whatever we have. 5 and 7. Fifth one. 2g plus 17f minus c is 4. Seventh equation. Minus 1g plus 22f minus c is equals to 3. Subtracting all the terms. 2 plus 1 3g. 17 minus 22 minus 5f equals to 1. 3g minus 5f minus 1 equals to 0, which is equation 9. What we need to do? We need GF value solving 8th and 9th equation. To solve 8 and 9, what we will do? Second term, third term, first term, second term. Similarly, second term, third term, first term and second term. G, F and 1. G divided by AD minus BC. F divided by AD minus BC and 1 divided by AD minus BC. So G divided by 35 minus 11, 24. F divided by 16. 1 by 25 minus 33, minus 8. So G is equals to 24 by minus 8. F is equals to 16 by minus 8. 8 3 times 24, 8 2 times 16. Once we have GF values, put GF in 8th equation, 5th equation. So 2 into G plus 17 into F minus C equals to 4. GF values minus 3 minus 2, minus 6 minus 34 minus C is 4. Minus 40 minus c is 4, minus c equals to 4 plus 40, minus c is 44 and c is minus 44. We got G, F and C values. They are enough to get the equation of circle. Therefore, equation of circle which is orthogonal to 1, 2 and 3 is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. What is the value of g? We have minus 3. F is minus 2, C is minus 44. So x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 44 equal to 0. What you have to do when three circles are there which are orthogonal? First equation of 1 is orthogonal to second, second is 1 is orthogonal to third, 1 is orthogonal to fourth. Then we have to subtract them in order to get the value. Check this one. Find the equation of a circle cutting orthogonally to the circles. Two circles cutting orthogonally and has one line as diameter. So what do we have to do? First thing, let equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. This is 1. And given circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 equal to 0. And next one, x square plus y square minus 10x minus 4y plus 21 equals to 0. Then has diameter. If two circles are, one circle is orthogonal to this one and orthogonal to this one, and one line is given to us, diameter. So what we have to do first? Equation of circle. Equation 1 and 2 are orthogonal, already given to us, orthogonal. Then equation 1 and 3 are also orthogonal. And one more thing is given to us, has this as diameter. So we have to write center minus g minus f lies on diameter. What is diameter? 2x plus 3y equals to 7. First thing, 1 and 2 are orthogonal. Second one, 1 and 3 are orthogonal. Then diameter. Whenever this word diameter is given to us, we know that any center lies on the diameter, which cuts the circle into two halves. So for all diameter question, what you have to remember? Center lies on diameter. Keep in mind. Equation 1 and 2, 2g g dash plus 2f f dash is equals to c plus c dash. So what is g is g only, f is f, c is c. G dash is minus 2, f dash is minus 3 and c dash is 11. Same thing here also. 2g g dash plus 2f f dash equals to c plus c dash. G is g, f is f itself, c is equals to c. G dash value is minus 5, f dash value is minus 2, c dash value is 21. 2g into g dash plus 2f into f dash equals to c plus c dash. Here same thing. 2g g dash plus 2f f dash equals to c plus c dash. This is minus 4g minus 6f minus c is equals to 11. Minus 10g minus 4f minus c is equals to 21. Here what we have, center lies on the diameter. 3 into minus f equals to 7. Minus 2g minus 3f minus 7 equal to 0. If minus is there for all values, you can multiply by minus sign. This is 6th equation. Now check 4th, 5th and 6th equation. What we find? In 4th and 5th equation we have variable c and we don't have any c in 6th equation. So we have to subtract 4 and 5. The reason for subtracting 4 and 5 to eliminate c. Minus 4 plus 10, 6g minus 2f is minus 10. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So we have 3g minus 1f plus 5 equal to 0, equation 7. So we have equation 7 and equation 6 without any c variable. So we have to solve them. Solving 6th and 7th. Second term, third term, first term and second term. Second, third, first, second. Gf1. G divided by AD minus BC. F divided by AD minus BC and 1 divided by AD minus BC. G by 22, F by 11, 1 by minus 11. So G is equals to 22 by minus 11, F is equals to 11 by minus 11. So we have G is minus 2, F is minus 1. Put GF in 4th. So minus 4G minus 6F minus c is equals to 11. 8 plus 6 minus c is 11. We have 14 minus c is 11. Minus c is 11 minus 14. Minus c is minus 3. C is equals to 3. What do we have? G, F and C values. More than enough to find the equation of circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. G value minus 2, f value minus 1, c value is 3. So we got x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 3 equals to 0, required equation of circle. If a circle is orthogonal to two circles and diameter is given, first and second are orthogonal, first and third are orthogonal, center lies on diameter, minus e minus f lies on diameter, solve the equation, you will get the answer.